Hey guys, welcome back. Today we want to work on custom keyboard. So what that mean? When you have a text field in your app, you need to deal with keyboard, actually iOS keyboard. And this iOS keyboard, there are some part that it's not gonna be easy forward. Just when you add it, then it's coming. So you need to do some customization. Today we're gonna work on that. Also, there is another video after this one. It's gonna kind of a series of two video. The next one gonna be about the next. So today we will deal with return, and in the other one we will deal with next. So when we close, when we done with one text field, our close keyboard and jump to the next one, or even don't close it and goes to the next active and active the text next text field. Okay, so yeah, here it is. This is versions that we are work with, and you can find our source code on GitHub. Okay, let's start the project, but before that I would like to show you that how output gonna be. So yeah, you will see that we have done here for a number, and for this one we have email keyboard, and we have return that word, and for phone number we have a phone number keyboard, and we have done or cancel. Okay, and you maybe you noticed that this is a real device. I mirrored it here because keyword won't appear in simulator. Okay, so we will work that to let you know how you can even add one mirror device on your screen. Okay, so let's go and start the project. So I'll go to Xcode. I'm gonna stop this one and start a new one. Actually, I have to close it because I want to override over on this project. Okay, file, new project, single view app. So I name it iOS Swift, and yes, so about the name, yeah, I put it custom keyboard. Okay. And for theme, sorry, I use this one. You need to have a theme to be able to, copy, actually run your app on real device. So here I check git respiratory actively made for that, because I want to push it to the GitHub to be available for you guys. Okay, so replace, yes, it's asking it exists. Do we want to replace it? Yes, replace it for me. So as soon as we replace that, we will have a brand new one. So I'll go to main storyboard quickly, and I'm gonna try to make auto layouts as well. So if you follow my videos, slowly you will learn auto layouts to do that quickly. Okay, so what I do first of all, I am gonna drop one label here. And then I'm gonna drop one text field. Okay, I select these two and I make them one stack view. So you will hear I click and I make them to be in one vertical stack view. Then I'll go to a stack view property, your attribute. It is vertical. I want to be fill alignment. Okay, and fill, and the space between them I want to be 5. Okay, so I have this one, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy of this. And so Command C, Command V, copy another stack view with same property and same status. Command C, Command V, Command V, Command V. Okay, then I select these 4 views. So this 4. Okay, so I select, actually I forgot to move them. I don't think so being a big issue. So I'm gonna select all of them, and then now I say make all of them to be one stack view, inside one stack view. So come on here and make all one stack view. Here we go. So you'll see that it's sorted for me, and a space between this stack view I want to be 10. Okay, so now I have this stack view. I just want this stack view to be center, but I'm gonna control drag to the view and say equal width. So it's gonna be equal width, but I don't want to be exact same width. I want to be, so I come here. When I have selected this stack view, then I can work on constraint here, and I make them to be 80%. Okay, but still it's not in good position. It's not auto layout completely. So still have select this. So I come here and I add 2 alignment to make this center in horizontal and vertical. Okay, so now it's here. Still you will see it's not, because this stack view attribute says that it's to be leading, says start from beginning, but I want to be filled. So now you will see it's fully filled this one. So I add one label on top of all of these stack views. We can put it like here, but I put it here so you know inside this stack view is put it on the button, so I move it to be on top. Okay, and so I make this one customize, for example, keyboard, and color blue, and font size to be 36. So as you will see, it's not fit. So what I say, I want to be 2 line, or I can say 0, how many line you want to get. Yeah, it's about the same, and yeah. So we're good for this part. So now I come to all of these guys and say, okay, this one gonna be text, this one gonna be excuse me, I don't remember what sort of, yeah, gonna be number, this one gonna be email, and this one gonna be phone number. Okay, okay, so this one here you can you know, work on how customized you want to be. For example, we will say I want to be, for example, kind of name. It's not very much, just content type. You can select whatever you like, and it's not affect on the visual of your app. And then here you can say capitalize for me or not. Default correction, you can say no, and the others. Spell checking, you can say no. Keyboard type, okay, keyboard type, so I want to be text, so I leave it as default. And keyboard look, I say this one I want to be dark. And this one you say the return, what do you want to be? I just say, for example, default, this one. For this one, number, I just say, I choose here, for example, if we have a number here, it's not really important what field you select here. Actually, I can't find it, so that I leave it. But here, these are important. So keyword type. So here, I just want to say number type. And keyboard type, I leave it as a default, and return. And you know, I just want to show you. I'll leave it as a default, and you will see there won't be any return. Even whatever I put here, there will be empty. So keyboard return will be empty, even if I click on auto enable return key. Let me click for this one. And if for email, yes, I'm gonna type, say, see if there is email. Yeah, email address. And spell checking, I say no. Keyboard type, I say email. Here we go. And for keyboard look, I say dark. Return, I say, for example, done. Okay. And this one I'm gonna active auto enable return key as well. For number, phone number, so I say for keyboard type, I just choose phone path. Okay. And keyboard look default, and return key I leave it as a default. Okay, so I'm done. Let's see if this working. So here I just go on my device. Here you will see that when I want to choose iOS version lower than deployment target, because phone iOS version is 10. So what should I do? Easy, come here and choose deployment target version that let you to run it on your device. Before 10, you know, gonna be before 7 gonna be big change, but for 10 still good. Before 10 still, you know, you have some issue with code, so you need to look at your code and again. Because some part has been deprecated now, but or you know, some code changed in Swift, new version of Swift. Okay, so let me try. So Command R or click here. So let me see when it's run. I'll go to real device and show you how gonna be. Here we go. This is device still start to running. Here we go. Here we go. So this is launch screen, and here go that we have. Okay, now I go to text. I have return, but not working. I go to number. I don't have even return, so I cannot close it. So if I want to come out, I don't have any choice. I'll be stuck. So your user gonna be stuck here. No way to leave. Just can go to this one, but even return here, when I tap it, not working. Okay, what I do, I'm gonna rerun my app. So close that one and open another one. Yes, so here you are. Now I'll go to email, reactive auto return, auto enable return. See if it's work or not. Done. No. So let me run it again. And I'll go double check. It seems was disabled. Auto enable return key. Yeah, it was disabled even. So I'm gonna unclick this one for the next one, and this phone number still we will have same issue. We don't have any return. So if we go here, we will stop. Okay, so what should we do? I have solution for you. Hopefully you like it and give me thumbs up in my video. Okay, let's go and see what we can do. It's kind of easy. So now I try to customize. So first of all, what I need to connect this to my controller. So IB outlet is something that lets me to connect. For sure, you know that with control drag you can call helper and with control drag connect, but I prefer to do it by code. Actually, it's going to be the same. So it's going to make this and text and UI text field. Okay. So this for my text. I have 3 more. So the other one is a number. And other one is email, and other one is phone. Okay, to active return, what I need to extend this my controller with my view controller with UI text field delegates. But when I do this, I need to declare one function. So let's see if it's mandatory or not. No, it's not, but I can. And this helped me for return key. So text field should return. Here we go. Here what I say okay, this text field, my text field dot resign first responder, and then return true. So as soon as I add this, then also I need to go to my main storyboard, make sure I do connect these two to the code. So I click this yellow, I click view controller, and I come to this tab, which is inspector tab. And here on outlets, I have those code here, so I can connect each one to same that I'm supposed to, phone and the text. Okay. Now I run it again. Let's see. Hopefully our return key start to work. Okay, so waiting for app to be launched on my phone. Here we go, it's coming, and here we go. So I'll go to text now, and I'll try to return. Still not working. So what is wrong, do you think? Oh, I missed one important part. Actually, it's good that you guys remember as well. So when you use delegate, what you need to add, you need to add inside your view did load or view did appear or whatever, view will appear text. You need to say make delegate for either of these to be self. Okay, so for number, for email, and for phone. Okay, so now I run it and see if it's working. Until it's running, let me start the next part, which is extension for UI text field, because I want to fix number pad and number phone pad as well. I need to add one function and stick it with my number and phone number text field. So yeah, let me go to text. Here we go. Now return is working, but number still I don't have any return that wants to work. So I need to have a solution for this. Let me go for email. For email keyboard we have done. You do remember, if you make it, you change it to done. And for phone number, still we don't have return, so we will be stuck in there unless we select another one and return from there. Okay, so what should I do? There are a couple solutions, but I found this one is the best one. So, which is you are very handy for it. It's going to be handy for you. So I add I add one function in inside my UITextField extension by the name of add done cancel toolbar. Okay, and here just say undone do this closure for me. So what is this closure? It's target type of any action type of selector gonna be optional, and if it's a nil, then on cancel again for me. So I'm done doing that one, and on cancel doing another one, so target action, and it could be nil. So selector says E. I missed the E here. Okay, so you will see that I gave it default value, so type of this, but give default nil if there were nothing. Here we go. So for return, what do you want to return? Nothing. So I'm gonna say no return for this function. Okay, so what's gonna be the body of this? First of all, I start to declare on cancel, which gonna be on cancel. Yeah, here we go. So cancel. So I uncancel, and default value for that's gonna be target self action so what do you want to be action? Yes, selector cancel button tapped button yeah. So this is for uncancel. I add another one. This one gonna be undone. Undone. Gonna say done button. Tapped. Yeah. Okay. So let me add those functions down here. So add objects function done. Let me go by cancel as I do cancel button tap. So body of this gonna be self dot resign first responder. So the other one for undone button. Yeah. Okay, so still I have to do in with this function. So here after I did these two, now I define my toolbar. So I just say toolbar equal actually from type of UI toolbar equal UI toolbar execution. Okay, so now this toolbar bar style here, I just say default. You can try other options. So there should be more. And toolbar items. Items equal an array of UI bar button items so let's see what it's offering to me. Title style, yeah, I think this one works better for me. Let me try this one. So title cancel style plain and target on cancel dot target and action. What should be action? Action will be on cancel dot action. Okay, so this is the first. Yeah, okay, let me put this here and I add copy of this 2 times. Okay, so then second one UI yeah, so this one gonna be done undone. Yeah. So here you go. But for this one, I want to change this totally. so let's see what other option I have. UI button, UI bar button items. Here we go. This is not supposed to be here. Yeah, it's only be at the end. Okay, so here just say, okay, what do you have for me? So bar button system items. So this one, and dot flexible space. I choose this one because I want to fill between these two. And target self and action nil, no action. Okay, so for the last one I don't need this. Yeah, so I made my toolbar, and also because it could run in different devices with different sizes, so I just say toolbar dot size to fit, and at the end I just say self dot input axis view equal toolbar. Okay, so here we go, and I just add here default actions. Okay, I'm done, but so I need to add this toolbar now to those one that don't have return. Which one? Number is the first one. So how do I do that? With one observer. So just open curly bracket, and I just here say did set open. So for number, add done button toolbar here, and I add same for phone. Okay, now I run it to see if what happened. So technically what we did, we put in our UI text field, we made one toolbar, include cancel and done button. Actually, we add two buttons to our keyboard, which coming with on our special text field that need that, not for all, because we found that in some of them we have, but in some others we don't have. So I got error here because of this S, which is not capital. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, so when we run this code, let's see now what happened to our return key for number part. So here for text, yeah, our return working fine. Here for number, now we have this done and cancel toolbar on this top. You will see that between fill out with flexible space that do nothing. So here when I tab on done, it's gonna close it. And email as well, here you will see, and for phone number, yeah, we don't have it, we don't have that done. So let me look at it and see if I missed anything. Number, yeah, again I added to the number, I should add it to the phone here. Yeah, so I rerun this. Okay, so let's look at this, and then we jump to our end of this video for So yeah, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please make sure to subscribe to receive these videos every week. And yeah, let's go and see the result. Yeah, here we go. I'll go to the phone number. Yeah, and you will see that we have that pad in number as well. Okay, and yeah, if you have any question, leave it in the comment. I'll be more than happy to help. And please watch our next video, which is about next, in that